Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Here is Saman Head. Yes, and today, guys, I will be showing you how to farm OASIS airdrop. Guys, OASIS airdrop is an airdrop like grass, notepad, and down. So you need to understand that this kind of airdrops require you to connect extension and start running its background. So by that way, you'll be earning points and stay positioned for airdrop. So guys, let me quickly explain what OASIS airdrop stand for you. So they are basically an AI powered platform designed to convert speech into high quality written text, streamlining tasks like transcribing meetings, interviews, and podcasts. So you can come to this website and read more about them. But let us quickly go to the airdrop section in order to see how we are going to start farming this airdrop. I've already registered, I've done everything on this airdrop. I've been farming it for about maybe weeks now, but I just decided that I need to start sharing this airdrop with you guys so that you guys can start leveraging. And I want to show you guys something right here. Look at all these airdrop. None of them has a market price below 0.1. Look at them. This is Bluefin 0.568. This is Eternal 1.18. This is Scroll 1.23. This is Ondo Finance 2.06. Look at Lingo 0.6. Look at Hyperliquid $27 right there. You guys can just see these are low-key airdrops. And if you're actually on Twitter, you will realize that so many people are talking about all these airdrops. Some people say that they missed it, some people say that they found it. And guys, you need to also be on Twitter in order to do what, to get access to all these kind of airdrops, not only YouTube. So I will put my Twitter link in the description so that you guys can start following me on Twitter, because we also drop this update on Twitter too. And you guys know it is easier to tweet on Twitter than to start making videos, make videos and edit videos and post it. It's a lot of stress. So you guys need to know that it is easier to do it on Twitter and also other platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and the likes. So I'll put my social media handles in the description so that you guys can start following me and start getting the updates back to back. So guys, let us go into the airdrop section. Basically, here is the thing. You are going to download their extension or their app. They have an app, so you are going to download either one of them, so you'll be running the extension or the app in order to get points. So that is basically how you do it. And you guys know how we farm grass and also notepad airdrop. So what you do right here is you basically come straight to your Chrome extension browser. So when you get there, you'll be able to download OASIS AI extension. So guys, first thing you do right here is you click the link that I put in the description that will take you to Chrome extension browser in order to download this OASIS AI extension. So once you download the extension, then you can start your registration. So register on the app, and from there we will continue the video. The registration is pretty straightforward, so I believe you guys should be able to navigate it. So right here, I am not using the extension. I am basically using the app to farm it. So I like using the app to farm it because once you on it, it will be able to run. There will be no interruption. It will not cut at one point. It will just be able to run smoothly, but it might affect the performance of your computer. Just know that. I also have Grass app right here. I am not using the extension of Grass to farm the season 2. You can see it right there. Look at my earnings. So I am also basically using the app to farm grass. So I am not using the extension. That is how I farm my airdrops. So there are some that they don't have app. You have to use their extensions. But right here, I am using the app because it has the app. So you can actually see it right there. So if I click on view dashboard, so let me just put this right here. So this is my general overview. So right here, guys. So right here, guys, if you run the extension, it will give you the chance to create an account. So once you create your account, I won't be able to show you how to create the account because I don't want to create a second account. So it is pretty simple. Just create your account and come straight right here to download. So if you want to download the desktop application or the Chrome extension, both of the options are right here. You can see it here. This is the option to download the desktop application and also for Chrome extension. So once you have downloaded it, then it will start running because it will tell you it is active. You can see it right here. Just when you start running it, it will tell you active, and just like that, it has started running. And you can see your credits that you have earned right here. You can see it here. After that, what you need to do is to come to credits right here to quickly come and perform some little tasks in order to earn more points. So just come here. You can see these objectives. So I've actually performed all these. You can see this. You can see to follow them on X, connect your X account. In order to, I've not been able to do this, so you have to connect your X account in order to be able to verify this one. I've been trying to connect my X account, but it is not going through. I don't know what's up. So guys, just come to verification. Here is where you'll be able to connect your X account, connect your Discord account, and also verify your email and update your referral code. So once you have done all that, it is pretty simple. So once you have done all that, make sure you finish all these objectives because I've actually done so many of them. This one right here, I've done it. I've done this one also. So whichever one that you have not done, you will see the option to verify status right there. You see the option to verify status right there. So guys, there are so many airdrops like this, such as testnet airdrops, and one of them is humanity protocol. They have actually raised some funds for the airdrop. So I have actually created a video that you can watch in order to start farming humanity protocol and stay positioned right on it. So guys, just locate the video and start farming humanity protocol also. So I will link the video at the end of this video. It will automatically pop up, so just click on it to watch that video. So subscribe to this channel guys, subscribe because your subscription really goes a long way for us on this channel. So once you subscribe, like this video and also turn up notification because look at my screen right here. I have so many one of them that I'm still going to create videos about, some of them that I've already created videos about. So I'm going to post it and I'm going to share it with you guys. Join us in the Telegram community so that you'll be able to access most of this, and also follow me on my social accounts. I have my X account and I also have my Instagram, Facebook, and also TikTok. I put content on all of them also because you guys need to be updated, because some of you are active on TikTok, some of you are active on X account. So wherever you're active, we will still be able to connect with each other and give each other the needed updates. I will see you guys on my next video. Do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and thank you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video.